Welcome to the most extreme experience of my life. 24 hours in Siberia at minus 24 degrees Celsius. And how I survived here. Now I'll tell you everything. Winter in Siberia is very harsh. You must be wearing very warm thermal clothing to be outside. Waterproof boots, gloves and a hat. It is important to have all this if you do not get hypothermia. With all this, I went out to explore the streets. And even so, it was hard for me to bear the cold. I even had trouble speaking. Eating outside is not the best option. It is better to eat inside and watch everything through the window without getting too cold. Although many people prefer to eat outside, even with a snowstorm hitting them. The nights are usually very hard if you don't leave the heating on in the house, and in turn they tend to leave the heating on in the cars here. The sunrise in Siberia is one of the most beautiful you can see, as cold as it is. From November to March, I invite you to come and enjoy one of the coldest winters of your life. Are you up for it? Therefore, the best time to visit Siberia is from June to August, in summer, which is warmer, not exceeding 20 degrees Celsius. Journeying through Siberia in winter is an adventure into nature's raw beauty and the challenge of surviving extreme cold. The snow-covered landscapes and taiga forests are breathtaking, underscoring the importance of adaptation. In Siberia, nature and survival intertwine, creating unforgettable memories for those who dare to brave its winter. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, give it a like and comment, so we can continue creating new content. See you soon.